AI is transforming the tech job market faster than ever. By 2026, several well-known tech roles will
Repetitive data processing tasks are now fully automated by AI tools. A strong alternative career.
AI chatbots and automated troubleshooting systems can now resolve most basic support tickets instantly. Automated test pipelines and AI-driven bug detection are outperforming manual testers in both speed and accuracy.
Fourth, content moderation. AI now detects harmful text, images, and videos with impressive accuracy.
So what should you do? Focus on skills AI cannot easily replace. Problem solving,
systems thinking, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and AI development. Learn how to work with AI instead of competing against it.
Candice, upskill early, stay curious, and turn the AI revolution into your opportunity. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe